Thank you for allowing me to take just a quick moment to share how you can differentiate yourself, save material and labor on your high quality install. A few of CoverGuard's innovative design features are our peel and go film. Keeps the duct protected, simplifies cleanup, and reduces waste and saves unused pieces. Our zip tie clips are pre-installed, included in the price, and they easily move where needed and they won't pull out. Our beefy base is perfect for the most uneven of surfaces, and our cover with its 4-stage adjustability will easily snap together. This is in contrast to our competitor's single tab system. And so what our adjustability enables you to do is to our cover to easily overcome a small pipe or unevenness of any sort and leave you a beautiful, clean finish. Our versatile fittings, they grow on site to fit multi-zone systems. We come in paintable white as well as brown, and our unique easy hold quarter turn cam screws, they won't rust, they won't over torque or crack the plastic, and they eliminate the need for a screw gun on the ladder. All of these improvements allow you to reduce material and labor, and amazingly enough, we are competitively priced with all the other plastics 4-inch system, and yet we clearly hold as much as the 6-inch product, as well as being high quality.